am getting ready to head out to Winstar World Casino in it's technically Thackerville, Oklahoma, but it's so close to the border that pretty much as soon as you cross into Oklahoma, you are at Winstar World Casino. So my friend is on their way to come pick me up, and then I think we're gonna go pick up my parents, and then we're gonna get on the road. I have managed to only bring a weekender bag and my laptop bag. That's the gift for the birthday girl, and my pillow to sleep in the car. So we're going to see how this works out. I am a huge packer, and even for 3 days, I would normally take a suitcase and a weekender, but I wanted to test myself and see if I can actually get by with just one bag. So we'll see if I left anything when we get there, and then if I did, I'm not doing that anymore. Okay, let's go.
You probably didn't put enough. Hey.
You said two dashes. That's what I put in there. Wait.
What's a dash? What's a dash to him?
1, 2. I asked my dad to wait. I'm talking to you. Okay. Ain't nobody worried about you, Martin.
Be surprised, lady.
Mm-hmm. You too far in the grid, off the grid. I said you too far off the grid. They ain't worried about you. Wave, Amy. Say hey. Everybody has to say hey.
Okay.
Road trip.
All right. Why you here?
2 hours later. Why, you need more room for your leg? You. Oh, no. Who's behind me? Oh, okay. We're finally going. Everybody.
Oh, my goodness. Put that on me.
It's not on you.
We finally hitting the road. Let them know how long we've been trying to get there now.
And when you make your booking, you're able to choose between the Pool Tower North, Pool Tower South, Casino Tower, or Spa Tower. And for the sake of this video, I am going to focus on the Spa Tower. So despite our late departure and some heavy traffic and rain, we did arrive early enough to get valet parking, which for us, it is $15. Guests without a passport card are $20, and Elite and Premier Club members receive it free. And this is the beautiful lobby and check-in area for the Spa Tower rooms. Here is a glimpse of the other reception area for the Casino Tower and the Pool Tower. But you can use either check-in area if you wish. It's just this is closer to the Pool Tower. The Elite member check-in is also over here, as well as the bell desk. Okay, now back to the room that we have in the Spa Towers. We were in room 4315. Now, I want you to keep in mind as you tour this room that these are comped rooms that we're talking about. My family and I, we are just base club members, meaning that we don't play enough in the casino to earn enough points to move up to Elite or Premier. But just on the small amount of money that we use to play in the casino, we are given comp rooms. And this is all of us, whether we've been once or 20 times. And these rooms go for about $5.29 a night, which is ridiculous because they're not worth that. But that's how much you would have to pay if you just booked it outright and you had never visited Winstar before. So getting a room that goes for as high as $529 a night for free is not a bad deal. We pay 10 and some change for the resort fee per day, but that's about it. And we're usually always given 2 nights free per week out of the month. So just depending on which week you choose to go, it's going to be totally comped, and you're going to leave out of there paying about $21 after resort fee, taxes. But we have a ball when we go. We eat discounted or free. We're given free play to start off with and a free room. So it's a good time just to occasionally get out of town for a couple days and have fun in a casino. And we actually do enjoy this casino better than when we go to Vegas. Yes, of course, you don't have all of the glitz and pomp as you have at Nevada, but this is a very good substitute when you don't want to fly or drive that far. These rooms are comfortable. The beds are to die for, as well as the linens. They come with microwaves and mini fridges, and these mini fridges are very deep. As you can see, we were able to fit a cake in it, and you can microwave food that you bring from home or bring up from the casino. Okay, let's take a walk around downstairs and check out the fitness center and the spa real quick. Okay, the spa is going to be over here to your right. Unfortunately, it is closed in the evening, so I can't go in there and take a peek. But if you go left, we have the fitness center. It is 24/7, and you just need your room key in order to access it when it's locked in the evening. Let's head on over to the casino. The casino tower is actually the closest to the actual casino, but my personal preference is the spa tower in the fall and winter, and the pool towers in the summer. Okay, now the rest of this video is just me playing 2 of my favorite games at Winstar World Resort and Casino. But if you're not interested in watching other people lose or win money on a slot machine, you can end the video here. But I just wanted to let you know and show you a bit of how much fun this casino is. It's very lively. The people are very friendly. While the downside is that you do not get served free cocktails like you do in Vegas, there is complimentary tea, soda, and water in the little stations in each section of the casino. And if you've ever been here before, you know that each section is themed after a certain country. And my personal favorite place to play is in Rome. Rome has a smoking and a non-smoking section, and the non-smoking section, while being not as loud and lively as the smoking section, it prevents you from having to walk all the way to the end to New York in order to not be surrounded by cigarette smoke.
Oh no, that was it. Okay. Well, at least you got that 15 on there. So. $48.
Here is my favorite game, Chicken and the Egg. I had to walk all the way down to Rio in order to play this game since they constantly switch out games throughout the year. And this is the only, well, not the only, but one of the places that I like to play the Chicken and the Egg. This game is dear to my heart because it was one of the first games that I played and used to win on all the time when my older sister first introduced me to Winstar Casino. You'd be surprised, but when you come to Winstar World Casino, you will see that almost every car in the parking lot has Texas plates. So all of us Texas folks have to drive across the border to Thackerville in order to enjoy casinos. But to me, it's worth the drive. It's about a 3.5 hour to 4 hour drive from Austin to Thackerville, and I think that it's a fun way to spend a couple days. And I just set a budget. I don't go over the budget, and once I'm done with that money and my free play, we find other activities to do. So therefore, the casino is never winning when it comes to me, because after my comps and free food and free play, I had a good time and I didn't have to spend a lot of money. So all my Texas folk, come check it out. I promise you, you will have a ball. And after visiting one time, you'll start receiving all kind of comps. And definitely use your comps in the summer because the pools are amazing. We're going to be coming up and shooting some more footage of the different towers, but it's going to be after April because the next trip is Carnival Jubilee, and I'm going to do some gaming on the ship, so I'm going to try to limit myself to coming up to Winstar until after that trip. Hello, we are leaving. It was 2 fun-filled days. I didn't win any money, but I didn't lose a whole lot either. I think I lost about $250. But all in all, we had fun, played games, drank a lot. Now we're gonna get back on the road because my daughter has to go to work. So we'll see when we get home. Bye.